Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Gu and MINA TENJIN. GU is one of the apparel brands in Japan offering casual and fashionable wear at the lowest price compared to Uniqlo, a sister company of GU. It is also a one-stop shop to look for comfortable wear for adults and kids. A wide range of selection of trendy clothes and a new collection depend on the season. GU products also offer accessories, footwear, bags, and other items. The GU brand originates from Japan and is operated by Fast Retailing Co. Limited, was launched in 2006 and is a sister company of Uniqlo Japan. Opened its first store in Chiba Prefecture. The name GU comes from the concept of freedom in fashion, which means Jew freedom in Japanese. The GU brand offers trendy clothes at an affordable price, made with high-quality materials, targeting young to middle consumers. A wide selection of casual and sporty wear also offers a variety of footwear, accessories, and lifestyle products for everyday use. A one-stop shop for the family and friends looking for comfortable and fashionable clothing and affordable. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. GU must buy for Spring 2026 Women. Women's collection offers a wide selection of products for the spring season. It can be used in casual and semi-formal styles. Available in different colors, some of the products are offered for a limited time only. Men's Corner offers comfortable and fashionable products for the spring season, which give a fresh look and easily match with other wear items. It is simple and can be casual or sporty style. Teens Corner offers cute and comfortable wear for the spring season. Made with high-quality material and trendy designs that are available in different colors. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. When visiting Japan, you might already know Uniqlo for its high-quality basics. But if you're looking for fashion that's trendy and unbelievably cheap, then head straight to GU, Uniqlo's sister brand. Why GU stands out? The price. GU is famous for its shockingly low prices, often even cheaper than a cafe lunch in Tokyo. T-shirts from 590 yuan, trendy tops and skirts around 990 yuan, 1,990 yuan. Dresses and jackets from 1,990 yuan, 3,990 yuan. Shoes starting under 2,000 yuan. It's not unusual to walk out with an entire outfit, top, bottom, and shoes for less than 5,000 yuan, about 35 United States dollars. That's why GU is often called fast fashion paradise by young shoppers in Japan. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. What you'll find at GU: latest trends, crop tops, oversized blazers, wide leg pants, and other must-have styles. Casual basics, hoodies, jeans, knitwear, and easy-to-wear staples. Accessories, shoes, bags, hats, belts, and jewelry. Men's and kids' fashion, stylish yet affordable for the whole family. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. always trendy, always changing, and like Uniqlo, which focuses on timeless basics, GU's collections change quickly. New arrivals drop frequently, keeping up with Tokyo street fashion and Korean-inspired looks. If you see something you like, it's smart to grab it fast. It may sell out quickly. Travel tip: GU is perfect if you want to try out Japanese trends without spending much. For the price of a single designer item, you could walk away with an entire week's wardrobe from GU. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. GU bestsellers, Style Dry Products. The Style Dry Products offers a comfortable inner wear for women and a t-shirt for men, which gives a freshly dry feeling even in hot weather. And it is lightweight, allowing you to move comfy. GU Active. The GU Active products offer both sportswear and casual looks. It is comfortable and fashionable, allowing you to move easy. It is soft and made of high-quality material that gives a fresh feel in hot weather. Special Collections. Special Collections offer a variety of character designs and collaboration products available for a limited time for adults and all ages. Merchandise and other accessories are also available. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.